Take a ride in the 2025 XC90. The Volvo XC90 provides refined luxury with unrestricted pleasure on the side. Experience the Volvo XC90 from the inside out and see why you'll want to take everyone on tour. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, daytime running lights, privacy glass, fog lamps. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.